Hi everybody! So today is Monday and it's time for another Pyrocast. Actually, this one is very appropriate to this season and because I talk about human rights and how artists can make a difference. And I believe that it is actually one of our goals, not just create art, but make statements and help create awareness of as many issues as we can. I believe that is also one of our jobs. And I also talk about in the tips and tricks section how to create an exhibition. Do you know where to start, how to do it, type of works you should display? Well, you better listen to the podcasts. And yes, I'm wearing my elf hat again. And I will have to help Santa now. So, Merry Christmas, everybody, and have fun with your friends and family, all the people you love. And take care. Yeah, I'm going. Bye bye. Bye. Hey, Santa, I'm going. Sorry.
Funtastic Mondays.
Hi everybody, welcome to another Fantastic Monday. Let's make fun things during the week. Alright, let's go. Every February in the United States is the Black History Month, but there are a lot of other causes regarding human rights. Equality, freedom, peace. There are so many things we take for granted nowadays that were really hard to get for everyone. There is so much we can do with this theme. You can make a project to help your local charity. You can also participate in other projects with your art to get people's attention to an issue that concerns you. This month we have also a festival happening in Adelaide, Australia, that has already started in the 15th of February and lasts until the 17th March. During this month you can see all kinds of performances and for free. You can access their site to see what will happen and when, to join as an artist or even to host an artist involved. Take a look at the program and you'll quickly find a subject to make a beautiful project. On the tips and tricks section this week, my tip goes to more advanced pyrographers. Have you considered making an art show or art exhibition? Well, this is a huge project and very useful to show your work. For this to happen more successfully, you should pick or start with works that are related to each other in some way. If you want to start fresh, you can start by choosing the theme of your work. Pick a name for the whole set you want to make. Remember that this name will be one of the most important things. You can use this trick to choose it. If someone asked you to describe or what was the feeling you wanted to share with these works in 1 or 2 words, what would that be? After that choice is made, it's time to choose your subjects to burn. Don't forget the copyright issue. Make sure you won't have any problems later. The size of your work is also important. You can always make mixed sizes. It can be more dynamic that way. Finally, a place to do it. It doesn't always have to be an art gallery. It can be a restaurant, a mall, a bar. There are lots of places where you can do that. Make sure your art is handled properly to avoid bad surprises in the end. That's all for today. Hope that you have a beautiful week full of ideas and new projects. Give yourself and life some inspiration because life imitates art more than art imitates life itself. Have a wonderful day and a great week, everybody.
Funtastic Mondays.